This I agree with 100%. Hey guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day. So another comment that was made on Angie's list is that you shouldn't trust a foundation repair contractor or inspector if they haven't had multiple sources of training. This I agree with 100%. I think the more training, more hands-on involvement, the more things that your inspectors and your reps are out there viewing every day is going to give them a wealth of knowledge. A lot more they're going to get in a book. So the way we do it with our company is we do ride-alongs. I've been in the foundation repair industry for 15 plus years, so I've got a decent sized wealth of knowledge that I share and pass on whenever I do ride-alongs and inspections and trainings with our sales reps. I've also had numerous trainings with various suppliers that do extensive training in regards to understanding how to diagnose and look at signs and symptoms of a home with foundation failures. So we do multiple trainings throughout the year, but we do on-the-job training every day. Our guys, if something doesn't look right or doesn't make sense, they pick up a phone, send me pictures, shoot me texts, and want to get confirmation before they just make a blanket statement that has nothing to do or relevance with your house. So hopefully that helps out, and I strongly recommend training. So Angie's List has got this one right.